Hi there, this is Corey. I'm at Porsche Colorado Springs, and behind me I've got a car that I absolutely couldn't resist filming. This is a 2026 911 GT3 Touring, 6-speed manual with all the lightweight bits in the best color combo I've seen to date. Let's take a closer look. Of course the sun goes under a cloud right when I try to start filming this. Doggone it, maybe it'll come back. 2026 911 GT3 Touring in oak green metallic neo, 6-speed manual car. Absolute stunner. I am in love. This one is very well optioned. Has the lightweight package, has the carbon fiber roof, has the magnesium alloy wheels in, listen to this color, high gloss California gold. These wheels just do it. They are so good. Ceramic composite brakes with the yellow calipers behind those wheels. Love the matching gold Porsche logo on the side. Has the carbon fiber mirror caps. Has the HD matrix LED headlights with the white accent ring going around it. Really sets it off. Just beautiful. Carbon fiber bonnet, of course. Hood. I watch a lot of British car reviews, and so I tend to adopt a lot of their language. Anyway, 502 horsepower, 333 pound-feet of torque from the naturally aspirated 4-liter flat six that revs to 9,000 RPM, and it's attached to a manual gearbox. Come on, what more do I need to say? 0 to 60 in the low threes. This thing pulls 1.1 G on a skid pad right out of the box. Just incredible. There's the sun. I wanted you to be able to really see this oak green metallic neo color. It is fantastic. Green and gold just works. So good. If only they could have done gold on the window surround. That would have been kind of neat. At least I think. Anyway, super low mileage car. It's a 2026. It's near new. Love this leather work that they do on the Tourings. Whoops, let me actually get the camera in front of it. It's got the deviated stitching going across. Here's your lightweight carbon fiber door handles. Stereo from Bose. Matte carbon fiber illuminated GT3 sill plates. This has the folding lightweight carbon fiber bucket seats with racing yellow seat belts. Now, I'll be honest, if I had to change one thing on this car, I wouldn't have racing yellow seat belts. That's just my opinion, but I can see why people like it. Anyway, folding lightweight carbon buckets, just look at that. Oof, so good. I love the fabric. It's nice to not see a leather surface for a change. Leather and fabric, of course, but just looks great. So great. Got all that contrast stitching, leather on the seat, on the back here. Race Tex synthetic suede headliner. Hop in here quickly. Despite these being bucket seats, they're actually easy to get in and out of, which is fantastic. Let me fire it up here. I'll get you the mileage. Twist the ignition here. Hear that 4-liter fire up. Where's our odometer? 87 miles. So just 87 miles on the clock. This has the Porsche design sub-second sport chrono clock. Looks fantastic. There's our nice, the throws on this are so fantastic. It's just the right amount of notchiness. Nice super short throw. Clutch is featherweight light, really easy to use. Nice aluminum pedals. Got that Leichtbau, I think I'm pronouncing that correctly, badge there on the center console, and some more matte carbon fiber. Porsche crest on the center console to match the headrests. Wireless phone charging, USB-Cs, who cares about that? Front axle lift, crucially, to clear any sort of obstacles. Yeah, just a fan-freaking-tastic car. I am so in love with this thing. Unfortunately, I don't have a spare $375,000 for it. Or I'd be putting it in my garage. There you have it. Fantastic machine. If you're interested in learning more about it, please give me a call. My direct line is area code 719-219-5015. Do me a favor, please like this video if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment below and consider subscribing for more sports car content from Cars and Corey, and thank you so much for watching.